Video tutorial we discuss about the scriptlet tag in JSP and with the practical example, and here I am using the Eclipse as a IDE, integrated development environment. First I click on the file and then new, and then click on the dynamic web project. I need here to write my project name, and simply I am giving my project name as scriptlet tag demo, and then click on the next and check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor, and then click on the finish. Okay, my project is displayed under the project explorer scriptlet tag demo, and simply I explore it. Okay, and I right click on the web content, click on the new, and take a HTML file and delete this file name, and I'm giving here my file name as a index.html, and then click on the next, finish. My index.html file code is open here, and simply I'm taking here the form tag, and within the action I simply passing here the welcome.jsp and close it. Okay, here I'm using the pre tag and close it, and just write here the enter the first number, and taking here the input type equal text, close it, and giving here the name as first, and close it. I just copy it and paste here, and change the name here as a second, and I just write here the second number and press enter, and here I am write here input type as a submit, and value equal sum, and just close it and save it. Look here, I am using the form tag and giving here the action as a welcome.jsp, and using the pre tag is the pre-formatted tag, and simply I am right here enter the first number, and taking here the input type as a text and giving name as a first. This is the first text box. User enter any numbers in this text box, and in the next line I am right here the enter the second number, and taking here the tag input type as a text and giving here the name as a second. User enter their second number into this text box, and click on the submit button. When the user click on the submit button, the welcome.jsp page is called. Redirect control to welcome.jsp page. So I need here to create a welcome.jsp page. So I first right click on the web content and then click on the new, and take the JSP file, delete it, giving here my file name as a welcome.jsp. Okay, and then click on the next and then finish. My welcome.jsp page is displayed here, and within the body I am using here the scriptlet tag. You will learn about the scriptlet tag syntax. You just write here the opening angle bracket and then percentage and angle bracket close here. Okay, and here I simply declare a variable string first equal request dot get parameter, and just passing here first. Okay, and copy it and paste here. I just passing as argument second, and change the variable name as a second. Okay, look here, string I am declaring here a variable first. Request is an implicit object in the JSP. With the help of request object I am calling the get parameter method and passing here as an argument name as a first, and this first is the name of my this tag, and simply user enter any number, this value with the help of this statement to store into the first variable, that is the string, and with the help of second statement, the second value stored into the second variable string. I want to add these two numbers, so first I need here to convert into the integer, because we cannot here simply add the string. So I am declaring a variable x, and using the wrapper class integer dot parseInt, passing here the first and terminated with semicolon, and declaring y variable and integer dot parseInt, and then second and terminated with semicolon. I just convert these two string variable value into the integer with the help of wrapper class integer and with the help of parseInt method. I am taking here a sum variable and simply add the x plus y. The value of x plus y added and assign it to the sum variable. With the help of out.print method, I simply print the sum values onto the screen and terminated with semicolon. Okay, you well know out is the implicit object and print is the method, and within the method I simply pass the within the double quote simply sum. This is simply print onto the screen sum, and then concatenate the sum variable, and the value of sum, the user enter the two numbers, anything like 20 or 10. 20 plus 10 add, and 30 value print onto the screen, and I simply save it and come to index.html file and also save it, and right click and run it. Okay, and then click on the next and then finish. It is taking little time to start the Tomcat server, and first the index.html page displayed into the browser with the help of Tomcat server, and it is taking little time. Okay, start Tomcat localhost 100%. Index.html page is displayed into the web browser, and this is index.html. Enter the first number and enter the second number. I simply passing here the 20, and in the second text box I am passing here the text 10, and click on the sum. Okay, it is taking little time. Okay, look here. The welcome.jsp page simply print the addition of 20 and 10 and print onto the screen. This is the welcome.jsp. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video and comment on my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.